Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create avatar on the Instagram. So right now it's a new feature or very trending on the Instagram, how you can create your avatar in watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram, log into your account. Once you will do it, you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the edit profile right here. So once you will click on it, now you have to scroll up and here you will see create avatar option. So simply you have to click on it. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the get start, and from here you have to select your skin tone and click on the next, and after that you have to select your hairstyle. Okay, you can also change the hair color from here. Okay, once you will do it, now simply you will get more option like face markings and face lines, eye shape. You can also change the eye color from here, eyebrows, and you can also change the eyebrow color and eyewear color. Select it from here, nose, and you can find also multiple option right here. Once you will do it, click on the done and click on the save changes. So once you will do it, your avatar is being updated. So click on the next and click on the stick button. Once you will do it, your avatar will be created. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.